Halbig in the 1890s, 80s. Another Simon Halbig doll, and an early Ketty Cruiser doll. Shirley Temple. Some early Swedish doll's house furniture together with dolls, character dolls made by Cameron Reinhardt about 1910. The Japanese doll is made of papier-mâché. And here's some other German bisque dolls from the 1920s, 30s. Also celluloid dolls of German and French manufacture, dating 1920s, 1940s. Character baby dolls made of bisque, including my dream baby in the bathtub. Here are some horses and carriages and carts made by the famous Swedish manufacturer Gemla, all dating about 1890, 1900. Nice doll's house dating 1890 up to 1920. Some of the material in the house are later. It has many nice details, including this lamp that can be used with petrol. The furniture represents the Art Nouveau style, and the family who lives in the house has everything. And the kitchen is downstairs. One of the most interesting doll's houses in the collection is this house, built in 1912 by a young boy of 17 for his sister. It has a working lift, and it's probably the oldest in the world with a lift. Inside the house there are more than 500 different items. The house is in 4 floors. And here are some details from the different rooms. Some of the furniture pieces are of German make, but others are also homemade by this boy. There are 2 bedrooms, 2 drawing rooms, and a kitchen. It's about 2 meters high. This doll is using an old Bell wall telephone. In the collection we also have lots of scraps and scrap albums, altogether some 30-35 albums. And here's a representation of albums dating from 1860s to 1920. Prams of different sizes and of different types. Buckets different periods, made of lithographed and hand-painted tin plate. This case shows more or less educational toys for girls, including a schoolroom with miniature dolls made of bisque, a German cash register, many different kinds of sewing machines, including this one with the original case in tin plate. This is probably the most desirable sewing machine we have. It was made in the 1890s by a company named Sant. A tin plate kitchen, a German manufacturer. And also a stove with an oven dating back to the First World War. This bathroom is from the 1930s, and even this smaller one. A washing machine, different sets to make embroidery. The washing machines could be a sample for a manufacturer, but it could also be a toy. It's extremely well made. A special case is for the very small children, where we have different kinds of rattles for poor children and for rich children. These are made of silver and ivory, and here's a double-faced rattle made of rubber. We also have some of the infants' accessories. Here's a complete sheet of scraps, very early, dating back to 1860, 1870. You have to cut these sheets by hand. A similar one. Color lithograph. The collection of dolls' clothes in the museum is very good and represents all kinds of outfits.